Xyzal Allergy 24-hour tablet. What's inside? Each tablet contains 5 milligrams of levocetirizine dihydrochloride, a powerful antihistamine that helps you stay comfortable all day. What it's for? It is here to help you breeze through allergy season by relieving runny nose, sneezing, itchy, watery eyes, itchy nose or throat. A few things to keep in mind. Please don't use Xyzal if you have kidney disease, you've had an allergic reaction to this product, any of its ingredients, or an antihistamine like cetirizine. Check with your doctor first if you've ever had trouble urinating or emptying your bladder. While taking Xyzal, you might feel a little drowsy, so take it easy. Skip the alcohol. It can make drowsiness worse. Sedatives and tranquilizers may increase drowsiness, so use with caution. Be careful when driving or using heavy machinery. Safety first. Stop taking Xyzal and talk to a doctor if you have trouble urinating or emptying your bladder. You experience an allergic reaction, get medical help right away. Important information for expecting and nursing moms. Breastfeeding? Xyzal isn't recommended while nursing. Pregnant? It's best to check with your doctor before using. Keep out of reach of children. If too much is taken, get medical help or call poison control right away. 1-800-222-1222. How to take Xyzal. Adults, 65 plus. Check with your doctor first. Adults and kids, 12 to 64 years. Take 1 tablet, 5 milligrams, once daily in the evening. Need a milder dose? 1/2 tablet, 2.5 milligrams, once daily may be enough for less severe symptoms. Don't take more than 1 tablet in 24 hours. Kids, 6 to 11 years. Take 1/2 tablet, 2.5 milligrams, once daily in the evening. Do not take more than 1/2 tablet in 24 hours. Kids under 6 years. Xyzal isn't recommended. If you have kidney disease, please don't use Xyzal. Storage and safety tips. Store Xyzal in a cool, dry place between 20 degrees and 25 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, to keep it fresh and effective. Safety first. If you're using the blister pack, don't use it if the carton was opened or the blister unit is torn or open. If you have a bottle, make sure the printed foil inner seal is intact. If it's torn or missing, don't use it. Keeping your medication safe means keeping you safe. Say goodbye to annoying allergy symptoms and enjoy your day with ease.